in stillness, hands prepared, a quiet joy that's gently shared. Each flower I touch begins to bloom, bringing light to every room. Colors whisper soft and low as blossoms start to gently grow, a bouquet forming piece by piece, like a song of love and peace. With Shanley DIY, I shape my heart. In every bloom there lives my art. It's more than petals tied in a line. It's memories, hopes, and love combined. When flowers speak, they softly say, this was made the handmade way. Ooh. The shades both bold and light, a touch of day, a hint of night, each layer placed with patient care, as if someone's spirit lives in there. No need for words, the blooms will tell of quiet strength and wishing well. A ribbon wraps the final part, but what you hold is from the heart. With Shanley DIY, I give my soul. In every stem I make it whole. Not just flowers, it's a story true of art and love I share with you. A beautiful bouquet in my way, crafted with heart by Shanley DIY. With Shanley DIY, I shape my heart. In every bloom there lives my art. It's more than petals tied in a line. It's memories, hopes, and love combined. When flowers speak, they softly say, this was made the handmade way. Ooh. Flowers are ready, each one in place, a mix of color, charm, and grace. Now comes the part I love the most, the final touch I treasure close. I lift the blooms with gentle hands, arrange them like a love that stands, a shield